Hi, in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new product called fan page robot, and the fan page robot is a software dashboard that help you to grow and monetize your fan pages on 10 biggest social and blog platform. uh, this fan page uh, can help you to generate viral content with just one click. Also, you can generate best hashtags to get your post discovered, get sales and leads from any link or link post. Also, it helps you to automatically to discover new hot content and auto post to your social media pages and blogs, including auto post to Instagram without a phone. Also, you can manage your post in a calendar view. Also, you can discover the influencers and competitors in your niche and help you to get juicy SEO backlinks from social network. As we say, this fan page report is the social media dashboard that many successful marketing firms use to manage and grow fan pages for their clients and get more followers and more revenue in less time. This, when you click the link in the description box under the video, you will get to our bonus page for fan page report. Here are the bonuses for this product. Bonus number 1, 5K publishing paydays, and its value is $97. Bonus number 2, 10K a month online case study reveals all, which is $297. Bonus number 3, 10K storytelling formula, and its value is $97. Bonus number 4, 10x commission, which is valued at $97. Bonus number 5, commission blueprint. Bonus number 6, free traffic frenzy. Bonus number 7, how I made 2,000 in 20 minutes with FB groups, and this is valued at $197. Bonus number 8, self-publishing master guide, and which valued at $197. Bonus number 9, list building on steroid, its value is $97. And bonus number 10, which is a book, the 10K email manifesto, which is valued at $497. To get all these bonuses, just click in the link here and you will get the fan page robot with all these bonuses plus the bonuses from the vendor of the software.